Today we're making leaf prints two different ways. This is a negative space leaf print, where the negative space is the area around the leaf on the outside. And this is my positive space leaf print. You're going to be working with a partner, and you're going to be taking turns using these. Are called jelly plates. We need to be careful with those jelly plates. We don't never take your fingernail or pencil and carve into it. These are expensive, and I want to be able to use them for many, many years and have them last. You're going to take, I have two primary colors, and you're going to be able to use all, I'm going to switch the colors out so you'll get a chance to use every color. Notice you're going to keep the brush with the same color paint. Don't be mixing them. Keep the brush with the paint. Now every table also has a third color. I'm considering pink to be kind of primary. And you can use one color or two colors or three colors. You're going to take a brayer, or you could call it a roller. And notice I'm going to roll it. And also notice I didn't paint it on. I didn't put a whole bunch of dots, just 1, 2, 3. We're going to work quickly so you have time to make lots of prints. I'm going to roll this out quickly. That's all. Don't keep rolling, 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 or you won't have time to make prints. I'm going to put my leaf, I'm going to put it right side up, because the bottom of the leaf, this is called like the veins of the leaf. I want those to show up in my second print, and I'm going to show you how in a minute. Now I'm going to put a few leaves, leave space between. If I pile all the leaves on at the same time, you won't be able to tell what you're looking at. It'll just look like a big mess. Now I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to push down. I'm also always going to put my name or my initials on my paper. It's the first letter of my first name and the first letter of my last name. Because if we have a problem and we don't know who the paper belongs to, then I keep it if there's no name on it. So always put your name on it. Now watch what happens when we peel it off. We have our negative space print. Second and third grade, I'm going to be talking to you about organic shapes. Organic shapes are ones that you don't use in math. It's not like a triangle or square or circle. Leaf shapes are organic shapes, because you can say that's a leaf, but you don't use leaves in like math class. You wouldn't say like that's a triangle or that's a square. So we're going to be talking about organic shapes. Now I took the leaves off, and now I'm going to put my paper on, and oh, what did I forget to do? I have to put my name or my initial every time. Now watch what happens when I pull it off. Will it work? Yes, it works. Now remember, be very gentle with these. These are called jelly plates. So we're not drawing or writing on these, and we're never using the paintbrush for anything other than putting dots of paint on here. We don't paint the leaves. We don't paint the paper. We don't put anything. We use the paint to put dots on. And oh, I was going to show you a different color combination. I forgot. But so just remember, you're going to roll it. Now what's the next step? Put my leaves on it. Put my paper on it. Can you tell me what's next? Put my name or my initials on it. And remember, you're going to take turns with your partner, the other person at your table. And then I take the leaves off. Now what do I do? Okay, now I put the paper on. So you can see you're going to be able to make lots of prints. And if you follow these directions, the paint will dry so you can take them home today. If you glob on a whole bunch of paint, you can't take them home because they will be too wet, and we can't leave the art room with wet paper. But this dries almost immediately.